Father's Day 2021. Happy Father's Day, fathers. I feel like a loved father, a blessed father. Happy Father's Day to my father. Fun day. Today, Beth and I, on Father's Day, are going to Nocona, Texas for the Great Race. Very excited about this. Last time we went to the Great Race, I think, was about 30 years ago. And so today we're going and excited about it and sitting here thinking about what car should I drive out of all these cars. Well, I'm gonna drive Big Red. Big Red, who's Big Red? Well, Big Red is a 1992 GMC pickup truck that my father bought brand new. And Dad called me when he got into his late 70s and said, or was it early 80s, and said, son, come get my truck. I don't drive it anymore, come sell it for me. And I thought, and I said, Dad, selling your truck would be like selling you. I can't sell your truck, I'll buy your truck. Tell me what you want, I'll pay for it. And I did, I bought Big Red. And Big Red had 300,000 plus miles on it. Still a nice truck. Dad's a car guy like me. He takes care of his stuff, but 300,000 miles, very impressive. So since then, I put a new engine in Big Red so my wife and I can hop in it and drive without any hesitation about the vehicle. So it's got a brand new heart in it and other mechanical updates to bring it to a usable on-demand vehicle. And so we're going in Big Red to the Great Race. Big Red will hold our chairs and our coolers and change of clothes, whatever it is that we'd like to carry so that we can enjoy this event. It's hot out there, it's Texas, but you know what? We're gonna enjoy it. You're welcome to come with us. Let's go to the Great Race in Nocona, Texas. Okay, so we're in Nocona, Texas, and we're at Nocona Boots, and this is a place that as a young professional, it seems like a lifetime ago, I came and I did a professional business evaluation for a client of mine that was actually buying this business. And again, decades ago, 1983, I think was the year. This young lady, what year were you born?
2002.
2002, and she's an adult working behind this counter. Can you believe that? So we're in Nocona, Texas. What's your name?
Kylie Rose.
Kylie Rose. Oh my gosh, I love it. Is that perfect or what? Kylie Rose. Are you from Nocona?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I wasn't born here, but I was raised here. So I went to school here all my life.
Okay, so you're a good old Texas girl.
Yes.
From Nocona, Texas. Do you like working here?
Yes, you get to meet so many new people, and it's crazy because you would think there would be people from our community coming in, but everyone that comes in are from different states. I had somebody from Seattle come in today. It's just fun to meet new people, and they're like, oh yes, I see this all over the internet, and I'm just like, that's so cool to like have all these people coming to my small little town. It's just crazy.
That's right. So Nocona, Texas. I'm going to revisit Nocona, Texas for the first time in decades, and this so far I've just barely made it into the town. Stopped at Nocona Boots, which is full of memories for me, and it's really a glorious Art Deco building, and it once employed a lot of good Texans that made beautiful boots that went all over the world. Nocona Boots, buy yourself some Nocona Boots. If you need help, if you buy a classic car from me and you've watched this video, remind me, the next classic car you buy, one free pair of Nocona Boots will come with it. So let's get a beer next door. What's the place called?
The Nocona Beer and Brewery.
Nocona Beer and Brewery. Are you old enough to drink beer?
No, I'm not.
Okay, I was going to say, go ahead and clock out and let's go have a beer. All right, so we're going to have a beer, and then we're going to investigate the rest of Nocona and watch and wait for the Great American Race, or the American Race, to come cruising through. And yeah, a good start to the trip, and great meeting this young Texas Rose. Lots of them out there, and thanks for coming along.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lot of bad.
Okay, the cars are starting to roll in. We're at the American race, formerly called, at the Great Race, formerly called the Great American Race, and the cars are starting to come in. So it's hot, but the wind's blowing. We're in the shade, and yeah, this is going to be cool. What was it like, guys?
Hot.
Hot?
Not as bad as yesterday.
How many miles did you log today?
We don't know. We don't know the miles.
No, okay. Oh, well.
We're only got by time.
By time, okay.
And, we started in
Temple.
Yeah, but we did some loops up around. We were in a lot of places.
So what is it like to try to maintain speed? Do you have to get on highways and compete?
No.
We do the speed check on the highway.
Yeah, that's only speed check. And max speed, we all go as 50. We usually go about 5 under is what the actual, we have to be accurate is that.
How about that?
We go 50 for 22 seconds, and then it says boost it down to 45, like that. So
Very complicated. What year is this? 1953. I've got a 51.
competition.
Super cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful countryside coming in.
Oh, really? So what's the next city or destination that you'll stop
We spend the
at?
night in Ardmore, and then we go to Joplin.
Okay, so you're leaving here this evening to go to Ardmore,
Yeah,
Oklahoma.
because we're here for the museum, and then the hotels are in Ardmore.
Okay,
But
fantastic.
that's just go when you want.
You guys be safe and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
I'm going to do this someday. It's on my bucket list.
It was on his for years.
Good for you. Good for you.
This was his dad's car.
Oh, how
He
cool
had
is
his first date
that?
in this car.
So my dad keeps telling me, my dad's 88, he keeps telling me, son, if there's something you want to do, you need to go on and do it. And I said, Dad, why are you telling me that? He goes, you'll get too old to do it or you won't want to do it. And so, yeah, it's on my bucket list. I'm going to do it.
And this race has a waiting list.
Oh, good to know.
And it's all there. Next year it's from Rhode Island to Nebraska, no, North Dakota.
All right. All right, guys.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy yourself. $55. Yeah, first year V8. Now that is cool.
Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Troubadours of Finland.
The Wandering Troubadours of Finland. I love that.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, a couple years ago, I live in I'm okay with the heat.
Well, that thing pops in that color. That is so cool. Looks like we. Oh, he's got the motor. We've got the 50.
No
idea what the time is until we come in. So if we get a perfect score for that leg, which is, I mean, we hit their required time right at 0, we get an ace.
Okay.
How long does it take to be competent to be able to, nail the requirements of this thing? Is that difficult to do?
Yes. Best thing to do is just kind of get involved with it. You'll learn. We have rally school at the very beginning, and then you just learn from people that do it until you get good enough, and then then you're our competitors. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the best way to do it is just be involved and actually be immersed in it. But it's a lot of math on the fly. It's all rudimentary. Can't use calculators. You got to do. It's all like you make your own multiplication tables, time charts, stuff like that. Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
I
We're
highly
from
recommend.
Roanoke, Texas.
Oh, are you? I've heard of Roanoke, Texas.
Yeah.
One of my. I'm a firefighter for Roanoke City, and
It was a bucket list for us back in 13, and we did it. Damned if we didn't win a rookie champion.
Are you serious?
and we did the same thing.
I was joking with
you get
him,
hooked.
that's what I said about
You get hooked once you win rookie. I mean, you just want to come back, and then we're competitors, but man, we're like family too. We're just hanging out, drinking beer.
So now you're driving the Model A.
My son drives, I navigate.
Okay, you navigate. She'd be the navigator. That's the only way. And
I drive the red, white, and blue car down there.
okay, what is it?
It's a 32 Speedster, dirt track Speedster.
Sweet,
Ford.
sweet.
We'd love to have y'all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
it
you.
would be
We
so
want to
much
do it.
fun.
We just got to pick
Yeah.
which car to do it in. I don't know how you decide.
Well, there's a
Pick one that'll make it.
right.
Okay, there you go. Most
And
reliable.
when I say make it, it's not a parade, it's not a tour. This is run the hell out of it. Run it like you stole it.
Right.
I mean, hard braking, hard acceleration, hard turn.
Yeah, you got to set it up for that.
Yeah.
It's not a museum piece.
No, you are running the hell out of it, like you're going to break it. And you better have every wheel bearing. You better have
Built up
every
brakes.
strut.
Yep.
You better have everything as good as you can get it, and then some. Otherwise, you will.
That sounds like good advice.
This is 8 days total.
It's nice meeting y'all.
Yeah, hey, thanks, guys.
Thank you so
Enjoyed
much.
it.
Get y'all's application as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's a waiting list.
Okay,
And somebody did tell us that.
We'd love to have you.
thank you. Look at that. Oh, there's my Hudson. I think that's just totally awesome. What do you think?
Very awesome.
The dash, oh, he's changed seats. He wanted to be super comfortable, I guess. Yeah, I love this thing. Come look at this dash, babe.
Michael, this
Look at this dash and look at the door panels. I mean, it's so elegant, so well made, so heavy duty.
you could lay down in the back and sleep back there.
I mean, this is a cool ride right here. Oh, he's got the original motor. Oh my goodness. Of course, this 6-cylinder right here will eat the road up. Little Dodge is cool. Oh, that's cool, man. I love that. There's the big mansion. That's where they live. His wife is from here. Did you hear the old lady? So his wife, the guy that Horton, his wife is from here. He's from Wichita Falls. Okay, so we're at Miguelitos. We're ending our day. We had a great day. It was the Great American Race was a blast. We loved it. Favorite car, hands down, was which one, babe?
Hudson?
Hudson. Favorite car for both of us. Loved it. Loved meeting the people. Loved learning about the race and how technical it was and how tiresome it was. Thank you. So we hope to do it someday ourselves. We'll make it a bucket list item, but I hope you enjoyed coming along and going to the Great American Race with us. And yeah, Big Red did a beautiful job. It's his first trip since getting his heart transplant. So Dad's 92, has maybe another 300,000 miles left in him. Thanks for coming along.